Welcome to day 10 of Pydle. Pydle is a daily Python puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. The objective is to recreate the picture on the right on the left by writing your Python code, and the Pydle function will fill in the different cells of the picture on the left. Today's puzzle explores more of the colors. In Pydle, there are 9 colors. So we've got these diagonal lines in different colors. It's a little bit more complicated than we've had before, but see how you get on. As usual, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle number 9. It resembles a Cartesian coordinate system. The axis in white, then the quadrants are colored either blue or green. So a Cartesian coordinate system has the origin in the center. So instead of our normal loop going from 0 to 4, we're going to go from -2 to +2. And that is the range, the Python range we can achieve that with. And we also need a j in range -2, 3. Okay, so let's first just draw the axis. And the axis is going to be where I equals 0 or x equals 0. So we put in the if statement. If I equals 0 or j equals 0, then do Pydle. Now we need to convert to Pydle coordinates. So say I plus 2, j plus 2, and then no character, and that needs to be white. Okay, and that works. Now you can see the kind of coordinates, the quadrants are either blue. Now what we can immediately see is if I times j is positive, then it's blue. So in that quadrant, I is positive, j is positive. In that quadrant, I is negative, j is negative. So if you do else if I times j bigger than 0. Okay, let's do that. Again, need to convert coordinates and then j plus 2. No character. And we're going to say blue. Okay, let's run that. Okay, so what happened there? It seems to have colored in the wrong quadrants. But the reason for that is that Pydle coordinate system starts as the origin 0, 0, top left, whereas and then it goes down as y increases, it goes down. So it's basically upside down, whereas a Cartesian coordinate system with y increasing, it would go up. So we just need to reverse that. So we need to color that green. We discovered that using experimentation, but we understand the reason for that. So that is fine. And all we need to do now is color in the green. I'm sorry, no, the blue. We just did the green, and that is the blue. Okay, and that solves the puzzle. I hope you were able to do that and had fun doing it. See how you get on with today's puzzle, and I will see you tomorrow for the solution.